From VOA, Learning English, this is the Technology Report. Recently, the first self-driving semi-trailer truck began its first trip on a major European highway. The German automobile company Daimler made the vehicle named Actros. It may be the first mass-produced truck whose driver will only be required to watch the vehicle's movements. The driver will have duties similar to those of an airline pilot while a plane flies in autopilot mode. The new 430 horsepower truck began its test drive near the German city of Stuttgart. The truck was loaded with 40 tons of cargo. Wolfgang Bernhard, the head of Daimler's Trucks and Buses division, drove the Actros. Once on the road, he let the truck take control of steering so that it could move around other vehicles. The Actros reached a speed of 80 kilometers an hour while driving down the busy road. The vehicle was followed by a car equipped with cameras. Also following was a police car in case of an emergency. The driver of the Actros must follow strict rules. A driver is not permitted to turn around or to the side. Traffic must be monitored constantly. Radar, a number of video cameras, and sensing devices continually watch other vehicles and road conditions. The truck will ask the driver to take control of the vehicle in dangerous situations. If the driver does not, the truck will slow to a stop by itself. Daimler says its trucks will help drivers on long road trips and in stop-and-go traffic conditions. The company hopes governments will pass necessary laws to permit the use of its self-driving trucks by 2020. For VOA Learning English, I'm Jonathan Evans.